Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is an episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And today we are doing a charging test on the AirPods Max, Apple's new headphones. And we're going to see how long it will take if you are at 1%. Now, I did originally had it at 0%, but when you turn it back on, it goes back to 1%. So that's kind of weird. But we're going to monitor it from the smartphone, and we're going to see how long it takes to charge these back up to 100%. Here on Knoles Cool Stuff, let's get started. All right, there you have it. 2 hours and 36 minutes to go from 1% to 100%. And I can tell you this, going that 99% to that 100% took forever. Now, maybe it goes a little faster if you have the AirPods Max in the case, smart case, but we could never tell about charging time because, well, you can't have the indicator on your phone when it's in the case. All right, so 2 hours and 36 minutes to charge it outside of the case. Inside the case may be faster. I don't know. We can't find out because we don't have an indicator like this when it's outside the case. Because when you put it in the case, it shall go off. See? Now it's not there. All right, so what did we learn? We learned that from 1% to 100% takes over 2 hours and 36 minutes, and it's a long time. So I suggest at the end of the night, charge these babies up when you're sleeping. All right, I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this was an episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and share with friends. If you really like this video, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, right somewhere down here. Yeah. All right. Until next time, my followers, be cool.